Okay, right. So this is taking some clawhammer technique into what we're doing. So if you if we move away from the solid air chords, just work with an A minor. Normally, something like that might be, one of the first things you think of playing.
Yeah.
If you're playing conventionally with clawhammer. So I've got this alternating thumb thing. And I'm really not focusing on where those fingers are going. They're just going down. I am careful that I don't double up with the low strings because I don't want that.
No.
I want that articulation of the sound. But it's not true clawhammer because I'm doing this sort of thing. There'll be an upstroke as well, which you don't get that in clawhammer.
Yeah.
So it's kind of it's all a hybrid. It's all a blend. So there's a claw, and then which is more of a flamenco kind of thing.
Yeah.
So I think if we button this down into a routine, we'll get somewhere with it. So. Again, it's a sort of a folky. But thumb, hammer it down, clawhammer style, whatever you call